Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn rounding of numbers. Why should we round off numbers? Where we need some approximate value. Look at this. In this birthday party, can you say how many children are there? We can easily say that there are nearly 10 children. And look at this park. Here we can say there are nearly 10 people. And here there are nearly 20 people. How do we say this? We say this without counting them. This is approximation. That is, we are not giving the exact value, we are rounding it off. Rounding means making a number simpler to read or say, but keeping its value close to what it was. The result is less accurate, but easier to use. So, shall we learn how to round off the numbers easily? Now we shall learn how to round it off to nearest 10. Before that, you should know about these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We can divide them into two batches. First is weak numbers and the next batch strong numbers. If we are getting weak numbers to the right, you can say stay there. And if you are getting strong numbers to the right, you can say move one step forward. And now let us see what we are moving and what we are asking to stay. Yes. Our first question is 32. As we want to round it off to nearest 10, I have circled the number in the tens place, that is 3. Now look at my right. It is 2 and which is a weak number. So what we are doing? We are asking 3 to stay there. That is writing 3 as it is and replacing the 2 by 0. Now see this example 37. Here I want to round it off to nearest 10 and what is the number at right? It is 7. 7 is a strong number. So what can we say to 3? Move to next number. That is 3 becomes 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7 is replaced by 0. Now you can look at this number line. I have written it from 30 to 40. Can you see where this 32 is? It is nearer to 30. So we can round 32 to 30. That is, we can approximately say the rounded number of 32 is 30. Similarly, look at this 37. 37 is nearer to 40 and it is not nearer to 30. It is nearer to 40. So we say it as 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, all these numbers will be rounded off to 30 and 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 will be rounded off to 40 as they are nearer to 40. These are the numbers which we are going to round off to nearest 10. Let us take the first question. 409. Look at the digit at right to the rounded digit. It is 9. That is a strong number. as we discussed earlier. So, what we have to do? We are going to move to the next number, that is 0 will be added by 1. So, look at the answer. It is 410. That is 9 is replaced by 0 and then 0 is added with 1. 4 remains the same. So it is 410. Next, it is 318. The digit to be rounded is 1. Now look at the digit at right. It is 8 and it is a strong number. So add 1 to the rounded digit. It becomes 2. So our answer is 8 is replaced by 0 and 1 became 2. Now it is 320. Next is 123. The digit to be rounded is 2. 3 is at the right of 2 and it is a weak number. So we are replacing 3 to 0 and 2 remains the same. It is 120. Our next question is 3782. The digit to be rounded here is 10. So the 8 is at the tens place. Look at the right, it is 2 and it comes under weak number. So what we are doing? We are replacing 2 by 0 and 8 remains the same, 3780. Next question, 1529. Here the right is 9. So we are adding 1 to the digit 2. 9 is replaced by 0. 2 is added with 1. It is 3. And again 1530. Next question, 1237. The digit to be rounded is 3. The digit at right is 7. It is a strong number. So add 1 to 3. Now 7 is replaced by 0. 3 is added with 1, 4, 2 and 1. The answer is 1240. If you understand this with tens, it will be easy for you to learn to round it off to nearest 100 and 1000 very easily. Now look at this. 2 is a weak number. So only 2 is replaced by 0. All other digits remains the same. To make it interesting, I have chosen a poem. Rounding poem. Find your place. Look next door. 5 or greater. Add 1 more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind. Zero's your name. So what did we understand from this? If we are rounding a digit, look at the next digit. If it is 5 or greater than 5, move to the next door. That is to the next number. And the digits at front remains the same and the digits at back becomes 0. Look at this. Round off to nearest 100. 435. The digit to be rounded is 4 and 3 is the weak number. So 4 remains the same. 3 and 5 became 0, 0. 462. Here 6 is the strong number. So we are adding 1 to 4 and that becomes 5 and replacing 6 and 2 to 0, 0. Same way 7328. Here 2 is the weak number. So 2 and 8 are replaced by 0, 0. 7 and 3 remains the same. So 7300. In this question, we are going to round it off to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. Let us take the question. It is 88,630. First we are going to round it off to nearest to 10, and the digit at tens place is 3. To its right it is 0. 0 is a weak number, so there is no change. 88,630 remains the same. Now coming to the next question, 88,636 is at the hundreds place. So check to the right, it is 3. So it is a weak number. 3 and 0 becomes 0, 0. 6 remains same, 88. Now coming to the next one, the digit to be rounded is at 1000. So 8 is at the thousands place, and to its right it is 6. It is a strong number. Add 1 to the 8 and it becomes 9. So replace 630 by 000. It is 89,000. I hope it is understood now. These examples will help you. I hope now you would have understood. Round off means finding the number which is nearest to the given number. Thank you for watching.